Ever wondered why some people can't tell the difference between a crocodile and an alligator? It's a question that has perplexed many, and the answer isn't as straightforward as you might think. On the surface, these two creatures might seem nearly identical. They're both large, aquatic reptiles with an intimidating set of teeth. But look a little closer, and you'll start to see that they're not quite the same. This common confusion stems from a lack of knowledge about the distinct characteristics that set crocodiles and alligators apart. It's a little like mixing up apples and oranges. They might both be fruit, but they're certainly not the same. Similarly, while crocodiles and alligators are both part of the crocodilian family, they are different species with unique traits and behaviors. Now you might be asking yourself, why does it matter? They're both scary, right? Well, yes, they can be quite intimidating, but understanding these creatures is the first step towards appreciating them. They're not just mindless monsters, they're complex, fascinating creatures that play a key role in our ecosystem. So how do we tell them apart? Well, that's where things get interesting. Over the course of this video, we're going to delve into the world of alligators and crocodiles. We'll explore their habitats, their physical attributes, their behaviors, and a whole lot more. We're going to paint a vivid picture of these two species, highlighting what makes each one unique. It's a journey of discovery that will transform the way you see these creatures. No longer will you simply lump them together as scary water lizards. Instead, you'll come to understand them as distinct species with their own unique quirks and qualities. So buckle up and get ready for an adventure into the world of crocodiles and alligators. It's going to be a wild ride filled with fascinating facts and intriguing insights. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at telling these two apart. First, let's dive into the world of alligators. Alligators are fascinating creatures that have roamed the earth for millions of years. Predominantly found in the southeastern United States and China, these reptiles have adapted to a variety of environments, from swamps and marshes to rivers and lakes. Generally, alligators are solitary and somewhat sluggish creatures, but don't let their lethargic demeanor fool you. These large reptiles are apex predators in their ecosystems. They are opportunistic feeders, with diets that change as they grow. Juvenile alligators feed mostly on invertebrates, while adults are capable of taking down larger prey, including turtles, deer, and even other alligators. Now, let's get up close and personal with their physical features. Alligators are known for their broad U-shaped snouts, which distinguish them from their crocodilian cousins. This shape is not just for show. It gives them a powerful bite force, perfect for crushing the shells of turtles, one of their favorite meals. And what about their teeth? Alligators have between 70 to 80 teeth in their mouth at any given time. When an alligator closes its mouth, you'll notice that only its upper teeth are visible, a feature unique to these creatures. And don't worry about them losing a tooth, because they can replace each one up to 50 times during their lifetime. Lastly, let's talk about their color. Alligators are usually dark, often appearing black, but they can also be grayish. This dark coloration helps them absorb heat and blend into the murky waters of their habitats. Alligators are truly captivating, aren't they? With their unique physical features and their adaptability, they have managed to survive and thrive in the wild for millions of years. Now that we've gotten to know alligators a bit better, let's move on to their often confused counterparts, the crocodiles. Crocodiles, not just a different name, but a whole different creature. Allow me to introduce you to the world of crocodiles, a realm filled with fascinating traits and intriguing behaviors. Crocodiles are truly global citizens, residing in more than 90 countries across the Americas, Africa, Asia, and Australia. They are masters of both land and water, but they truly shine in their aquatic habitats, whether it's a freshwater lake or the salty waters of a coastal estuary. Now let's take a closer look at the crocodile's general characteristics. These creatures are known for their armored skin, strong muscles, and their formidable size. In fact, the saltwater crocodile, the largest of all living reptiles, can reach lengths of up to 23 feet. But it's not just their size that's impressive. Their lifespan is equally astounding, with some crocs living up to 70 to 100 years. The crocodile's physical features are truly a marvel of nature. The first thing you'll notice is the V-shaped snout. This design is not just for show, it's a functional feature that allows crocodiles to withstand the pressure of biting down on their prey. Speaking of bites, have you ever noticed a crocodile's smile? When a crocodile closes its mouth, you can still see its fourth tooth on both sides of the lower jaw sticking out. It's like they're always ready for a photo op. And let's not forget about their colour. Crocodiles usually have an olive-brown hue with a lighter underside. This coloration is not just a fashion statement, it's a survival strategy. It helps them blend in with their surroundings, making them nearly invisible to unsuspecting prey. So there you have it, the crocodile in all its glory. From the V-shaped snout to the visible teeth and the olive-brown colour, every detail plays a crucial role in making the crocodile the formidable predator that it is. With the crocodile now in our knowledge bank, it's time to directly compare the two. It's showdown time. Alligator versus crocodile. Let's bring these two contenders side by side and see who's who in this world of reptiles. First off, let's talk snouts. Alligators have a broad U-shaped snout, perfect for crushing and grinding their prey. Meanwhile, crocodiles sport a narrower, V-shaped snout, which makes them excellent at catching and holding onto their prey in the water. Now let's take a look at those pearly whites. When an alligator closes its mouth, you won't see any of its bottom teeth. They're all tucked neatly away. But a crocodile isn't so shy. Close a crocodile's mouth, and you'll still see its fourth tooth on the lower jaw jutting out. It's like a permanent toothy grin. Colour is another telling factor. Alligators are often darker, with a colour palette ranging from dark olive to black. Crocodiles, on the other hand, are lighter, usually a tanned or light olive colour. Finally, let's talk behaviour. Alligators are considered more docile compared to their crocodile cousins. They tend to avoid humans and are less likely to treat them as prey. Crocodiles, however, are more aggressive and are known to see humans as a potential meal. But remember, these are wild animals. Whether it's an alligator or a crocodile, always maintain a safe distance and respect their space. And there you have it. Alligators and crocodiles, similar yet so different. Next time you see one, you'll know exactly which is which.